It's Angela from the Darling Kids, and today we're going to be doing this slime making station. Now, I wanted this one to be the first slime station that we do on this channel because it's a little weird, and this is why. It has no glue. So I've made a lot of slimes before, and they all require glue. This one, you just add water to this powder. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So we have these storage little pods. I'm guessing that's to put our slime in. Cardboard. We don't need that. Oh, okay. So we have this thing. I'm pretty sure it's the mixer. I've never used this one before. Oh, it's all taped down. It's all taped. Oh. Well, that was delightful. I'm guessing this is what we mix it with. Then we have this and that. So, let's read the instructions because it does not come with instructions, only on the back. Use half of a storage pod. Okay, I'm trying to open this storage pod. Guys, this is impossible. Ow. Okay. Use half of a storage pod for measuring water. Oh my gosh. These are the most impossible storage pods to open. Use half of a storage pod for measuring water. Okay, there we go. Fill half of a storage pod with water and add into the station. Do this 2 times. I'm gonna go get water. What? Yeah, I'm gonna go get water. I'll see you guys in a minute. So, I just filled this with water 2 times. Now add 1 packet of slime into this. Now add 1 packet of slime into slime powder holder on handle of station. I think since green is my favorite color, y'all probably didn't know that, but since green is my favorite color, we're going to do green. Let's start off with my favorite color. Okay, so put this into the slime holder. Oh no. Okay. This is not turning out good. Not going into the slime holder. Okay, go in there. Go in there, slime powder. This is not turning out good. Oh, that just got all over my leg. Okay. Grab the spinner dial and start spinning forwards and backwards. Make sure you spin in both directions. Okay, spinning forwards and backwards until your slime is created. I will come back to you guys after this slime is created. So, it's basically slime now. Now, let's read the next instruction. It does not smell good, by the way. It smells gross. Okay, once you have created the slime, whatever this is, let sit until it becomes sticky. So, I will see you guys when it becomes actual, well, it's a basic, hold on. It's technically already becoming sticky. I don't know if it's supposed to happen right now, but it's becoming sticky. Ew, it smells disgusting. Why am I holding this in my hand right now? I think we are supposed to let it sit for just a little bit longer because it is too sticky right now. So, I'm just going to get all this off my hands. And I'm going to check in on you guys when it starts getting... Oh, hold on. It's getting slime. This is like really good slime. Oh my gosh. This is so weird. How you can make slime out of water and powder. Okay, well, I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit longer. And I'll come back to you guys when it's the slime solution. So, okay. I'll come back to you guys in a minute. Okay guys, so it is actually really good slime now. Like it's not sticking in my hands anymore. So there is still more instructions, but I already think I succeeded. Like this is really good slime. And when they mean super stretchy, they mean it. So then it is personalize your slime creation with glitter. So it comes with some glitter. So we are going to just add some of that glitter to make it pizzazz. So I think since this is all in all green slime, we need to add some green glitter. I know guys, you're like, I'm all about that green, But yeah, I love green so much, so we just have to add some green sparkles into this slime. This slime is like awesome. Okay, you know what? I'm going to pour the glitter like into here when I'm pouring it in, because I don't want it to get all over my floor. Pour that glitter. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, I think that's good enough glitter. I think that's good enough glitter for now. I'm going to have to clean up my area. Okay, but this is really pretty. Like, I didn't know that water and powder and glitter could make this. Now, this is probably this is probably one of the best slime kits that I've tried. Because usually I use those slime gloop ones, but they always, for some reason, I don't know, never turn out to me like they should. So, but this one is one of my favorites so far. And it says now you have to put it in your storage container. So I'm going to try to fit this into a storage container. And we're going to see if it'll, because it looks hard to get in. Ow. Guys, it's really hard. It's harder than you think. Okay. I have to like pop it. Okay, I'll worry about that later. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Smash that subscribe button and like. And I'll see you all next time. Bye!